Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of one of the most discussed tools in education right now, the Turnitin AI Detector. This tool has become a hot topic in schools and universities around the world because of the rise of AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. The big question educators have is, how do you tell if a student actually wrote their paper or if it was crafted by artificial intelligence? Well, that's where Turnitin's AI detector comes in. It's designed to help teachers and institutions identify AI-generated writing in student submissions. But is it really accurate? How does it work? And is it truly the best option in 2025? Well, let's find out together. Turnitin started out over 20 years ago as a plagiarism detection platform used mainly to compare student papers against billions of web pages, research papers, and previously submitted essays. Its mission was simple: help maintain academic integrity. But as AI writing tools became more sophisticated, plagiarism wasn't the only concern anymore. Instead of copying from existing sources, students could now generate entirely new essays using AI models. These texts might not match any known source, making them invincible to traditional plagiarism checkers. So Turnitin developed a new layer of detection, the AI Writing Detector. This feature doesn't just look for copied content, instead it analyzes writing patterns, word predictability, and linguistic structures that are typically produced by AI. It then estimates what percentage of a document may have been generated by an AI model. According to Turnitin, the tool has already analyzed tens of millions of students' papers, and it continues to improve its accuracy as more data is processed. Now, let us talk about the main features of Turnitin AI Detector. First is the AI Writing Indicator. When you run the paper through Turnitin, it produces AI percentage score. This number estimates how much of the text might have been written by an AI tool. The report highlights specific sentences or paragraphs that are suspected to be AI generated, making it easy for instructors to spot questionable areas. Integration with similarity reports. Turnitin's AI detector works right alongside its plagiarism checker. Instructors can see both the similarity percentage and the AI percentage in the same report, which gives a more complete picture of a paper's originality. Then there's the paraphrasing and AI editing detection. Turnitin says this technology can detect when text has been generated by AI and then paraphrased or lightly rewritten to sound more human. That means even if a student runs an AI essay through a rewarding tool, Turnitin might still pick it up. There's also fast analysis. Turnitin processes reports quickly, usually within a few seconds to a couple of minutes, allowing instructors to get immediate insight before grading. Now let us talk a bit about the pricing. Here's something many people don't realize. Turnitin's AI detector isn't usually available for individual purchase. To do anything regarding purchase, you might have to contact the sales team. And the thing is, it's primarily built for institutions. So that means if you're a student or an independent writer, you can't just go online and subscribe to it directly. Instead, your school or university has to have an active Turnitin license, and the AI detection feature must be enabled on their account. Of course, there are student resources on the platform for students to use, but to use the AI detector aspect, it is an enterprise level product, mainly designed for schools, colleges, and universities. What are the pros and cons of using Turnitin AI Detector? First, we talk about the pros. Trusted brand and scale, seamless integration, detailed highlighting, speed and efficiency. It also encourages dialogue, not punishment, because the reports that are generated are designed to start conversations between teachers and students about responsible AI use, not just to accuse or penalize. How about the cons? Sometimes there might be false positives. One of the biggest challenges is misidentification. Human written text, especially formal or structured writing, can sometimes be flagged as AI generated, and that can lead to unnecessary stress or unfair accusations. Limited access. Since it's only for institutions majorly, individuals or freelance writers cannot use it directly, especially the AI detector tool. So after considering all this, is Turnitin's AI detector still the best in 2025? Well, it depends entirely on your use case. For schools and universities, Turnitin remains the most established and institutionally trusted solution out there. It's reliable, it's well supported, and deeply integrated into existing education systems. But, and this is important, no AI detector is 100% accurate. The false positives are real, and the model can't always distinguish between AI assisted writing and human writing. And that's the reason why Turnitin itself advises educators to treat the AI score as an indicator, not a final verdict. Well, in short, I'd say Turnitin's AI detector is still the best institutional solution in 2025, but it should always be used responsibly with human judgment, context, and open communication between teachers and students. And that's it on the review of Turnitin AI Detector. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Copylic's AI Detector, Originality.ai, and GPT-0. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.